Welcome to the instructions video for the Aperture Area Interactive Calculator. This tool helps you calculate the cross-sectional area of apertures used in optical systems like telescopes, camera lenses, and antennas. Understanding aperture area is crucial for determining light gathering capability and overall system performance. To use this calculator, you'll need to select your aperture shape and enter the relevant dimensions. For a circular aperture, enter the diameter or radius value. For example, let's input a diameter of 200 millimeters for a telescope mirror. If you're working with a rectangular aperture, you'll enter both the length and width dimensions. The calculator uses the appropriate formula based on your shape selection: pi times radius squared for circles, or length times width for rectangles. Once you've entered your values, click the Calculate button to see your aperture area result displayed in square millimeters or your selected unit. The results help you understand the effective light collecting or signal receiving surface of your optical system. We have thousands of other free engineering calculators on our website. Head over and check them out.